Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Stay Focused is installed and active. This prevents wasting time. Open the extension menu from the toolbar and go straight to Settings. Once there, choose the Protection or Strict Mode panel so you can edit restrictions. Make sure you have the extension PIN or your browser profile password available because disabling strict mode requires authentication. If you use sync or a managed profile, sign in first. This prevents unexpected lockouts while you change the feature. You now modify the strict settings themselves. Click the strict mode or protection toggle and observe any nested options. Some versions require you to disable session enforcement separately. Once prompted, enter your PIN to unlock the controls so changes save. Make careful adjustments to timers and blocked lists. If you completely disable enforcement, make sure alternative limits remain if you want restraint. After making changes, press Save or Apply. The extension usually confirms that strict enforcement is turned off. You finish by validating the change immediately. Restart the browser and try accessing a site that was blocked. This confirms strict mode is off. If the extension still enforces rules, go back to Settings to double-check that session enforcement and schedule rules are disabled, then save again. Make sure to re-enable any benign limits you want to keep. Troubleshooting tip: if the extension won't accept your PIN or settings, reset the PIN through the extension recovery, or uninstall and reinstall to clear a corrupted configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.